is where my heart will always be.
Small little village, but the love is so strong. Every smile, every laugh is like a reggae song.
The people got aloha, the spirit runs deep. Looking after one another, promises we keep.
No matter where I go around this world so wide, Alamagoto is forever my island pride.
When I hear the ocean calling my name, I know my heart will never be the same. Back to the place where my roots belong,
Singing this island melody all day long.
Alamagoto, you're my paradise.
Small little village, but you're worth more than gold.
Lunu upele, forever in my soul.
Island vibes, never letting go.
Alamagoto, I will always say,
Home is where my heart will stay.
from the mountains to the sea, so blue.
There's no place I'd rather be than you.
So
Sunday morning, everybody dressed in white, giving thanks to Jah and God for life. Family together, laughter in the air. You can feel the love because it's everywhere. From the
the old to the young, everybody knows the strength of our village continues to grow. Keep your head up, never lose your way. Alamagoto forever, every single day.
golden sunsets painting every sky, palm trees dancing as the trade winds fly, children playing till the